You want to learn to work remotely from home, on your laptop, on your cell phone. You're tired of going to work every day. I know that feeling. I've been there myself. After decades of working in the welding industry, long haul trucking, and mining, I spent most of my time away from home, whether it was long hours or even camp jobs where I was gone for 2, 3 weeks at a time. If you're like me and you didn't see your kids grow up, you've had enough of all this. Your back is sore, you're tired, you're worn out. My name is Mark Hamel. I have a community called Income Junkie. And yes, everybody calls me Pepe. Retirement is a reality. It can happen. I know that when I started building mine. But it doesn't work if you're working every day and you're working yourself to the bone to when you're sore, you're tired, you're broke. You have to start with something different, a side hustle, something that you can build slowly and develop over time. It doesn't mean you work more hours and more time. What it means is that we teach you how to build a program. Don't worry about it. We teach you that as well. Once you build your program, you market it. And those programs are things you build on knowledge you already have. So if you're a stay-at-home mom, maybe you build your program on gardening, or maybe it's on cooking, or maybe you have a great thing for having things organized. So you do an organizer plan, or maybe you're a dad that works heavy equipment. So you do it on heavy equipment, how different operations work. Maybe you're doing pipe work. Maybe you're underground miner. Maybe you're into logging. There's millions of different jobs out there, but not everyone's qualified for it. And a lot of the younger generation that are trying to come up, they're looking for those answers, how to do something better. That skill set is what they're looking for, and that's what you're going to help provide. We show you how to capitalize on the decades of knowledge that you've already built. Imagine that. You don't even have to research. You've already got the knowledge. We just show you what to do with it and how to do it. We help to show you how to make cool thumbnails and backgrounds like this. I literally created this in 5 minutes, and I'll have this for eternity. So there's a little bit of work at the beginning, but it pays off because you don't have to continue doing it. There's a reason why this video landed on your page, why it landed in front of you. You're looking, you're searching, and now you're tired of searching. I know that because that's how I found my mentors, those who teach me how to do the same thing. Our community is over 60,000 people, and I don't know how many mentors are out there, but I know myself, I got 3 of them because you build stronger faster if you're a group. We've all heard the saying, I know I have, it takes a community to raise a child. Imagine if you use that same theory with building income. It takes a community to help everyone build income. That community helps you build your own business. So you don't have to share your income with anyone else because it's your business. You get to have 100% of those profits for yourself. You also have no one else to blame for your failures, but you have nobody to share with for your success. Our community does exactly that. We help you learn from your failures, and we all get them. I have lots of them. I couldn't even count them all. They once asked Michael Jordan what it felt like to hit a new goal, a new achievement by doing whatever it was, 3,000 baskets. And his response was, you know the 3,000 baskets I made, but you don't count the 50 million that I missed and how to change it so you can make the next one. And that's when true income is built. That's when true retirement gets to work. Imagine being able to work from home on your phone or digital device from anywhere in the world, not just home. And you're finally watching your grandkids and your kids in that recital and that play, and finally look at your phone and say, I just created an income while doing this. I know it all seems surreal right now. You can join one of our communities for 7-day trial. Cost you nothing. Join some of our meetings. Just put down 7-day free trial, please. I'll let you into one of our 7-day trials. You get to try it out, see what it's like. If you like it, join. If you don't, no obligation. You just walk away. But learning how to do an income online and how we share knowledge and experience and how to work our programs so that they work better. You work less. They taught you just like they did me. Get a good education, get a good job, grow your knowledge and grow your worth, your value, get a better pay, you'll grow. What they don't teach you is how to work smarter, not harder, how to invest your money so that you don't have to work as hard, your money doesn't work for you. Everyone tells you to invest all the time. Invest in what? Where? How? What our community teaches you is how to invest in yourself, how to invest your time. I'm Pepe Hamel. Hear me now, believe me later when I say I'm rooting for you. I'm here to help. Let's end this madness.